Okay, so today what we're going to demonstrate is putting on chains onto your tires because four-wheel drive vehicle, you chain up your front tires, not your rear. If you have two sets, then you can chain up both front and rear tires. The first thing that you want to do is get your chain out, lay it out flat, and make sure that it is untangled. Your chains are going to have a smooth side and a gripper side. So you lay the chains across the tire and then you get in and you drive forward to get the rest of the chains on the tire, and then you'll connect the chains. So you have an inside hook and you just want to reach back and make sure that it's connected. So you hook this in by putting the loop up here and folding down and bringing up the latch. You might not necessarily use the first link, and as you drive for several miles, you need to stop, and these could have loosened up and you may come to the second link. So after you have the chains on, it's a good idea to have tensioners so that they're not flopping around and tear up your wheel wells and everything else. Plus they help the chains give you good traction. Tensioners, just like chains, come in all different sizes. So make sure that the tensioner you have is appropriate for the size of chains that you have to match your tires. Start with a top link, and all you want to do is just go around and stretch this to hold the chain tight. Okay, now that you have your chains installed, there are several things that you need to keep in mind, and always low speed with your chains. Avoid spinning your tires at all costs. Only use chains when necessary, and really use prudence in, do I need chains on? Okay, so it's a reverse process to take the chains off, and you just take the tensioner off, unlatch your latch, unhook your back, and let the chains fall, and then drive off your chain and pack everything up.